There are many wood carving tools products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood carving tools from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Schaaf Wood Carving Tool Set. Rating 4.4. Wood carving tool set features 12 versatile wood carving chisels and gouges you need to start any beginner woodworking project. Relief carvings, wood spirits, house signs, caricature figures, bowls, and spoons. Our wood carving chisels are made from high-quality alloy chromium vanadium steel and hardened to Rockwell C60, so blades will hold an edge for a long time and won't dull quickly with repeated use. Comparable to Swiss-made carving tools in durability, Schaaf Tools prides itself on using high-quality materials. Sturdy, hefty blades from this carving tool set are designed to withstand heavy mallet use. European-style octagonal ash wooden handles prevent tools from rolling off your workspace. Beginner learning videos and an ebook are included with helpful info about how to sharpen and care for your carving tools, along with other carving tips and techniques, and a fun carving project. Number 4. Olerxer Wood Carving Kit. Rating 4.6. The wood blank is not cut out in the shape. You can use this wood carving toolkit to freely carve any objects of different sizes you want, such as spoons, cups, bowls, etc. The whittling knife is suitable for cutting the rough outline. The detail knife and hook knife are good at working on concave or round edge wood. Then you can add beautiful lines and decorative patterns with the 12-piece detail wood carving knives. Our wood carving knives are made from chrome vanadium steel alloy, ensuring exceptional quality and durability. Carving knife handles are made of black walnut wood, smooth and comfortable, stable and durable. The ergonomic design of the handle allows for a long period of comfortable wood carving, and they also look stylish, releasing your hands from fatigue. Our wood carving knife set can satisfy all your wood carving creativity. Allows your children to explore, learn, and have great fun creating wood crafts like toys, kitchen utensils, Christmas ornaments, and more. Let's enjoy the joy and creative experience of wood carving together. Number 3. Deluxe Wood Carving Kit. Rating 4.6. Comes with a high-quality leather tool roll bag featuring double-layer storage, a handheld strap, and a shoulder strap. It keeps all wood whittling kit organized, protected, and easy to carry. Ideal for woodworking on the go or storing safely at home. Each wood carving knife and chisel is made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel reinforced with MOV alloy. Pre-sharpened and assembled with air pressure technology, they resist deformation, stay sharp longer, and ensure clean cuts in wood carving blocks and other soft materials. The wood carving knife is equipped with ergonomic walnut handle size varnished for a non-slip grip that reduces hand fatigue. The upgraded leather strap includes a handle and table mount hole for secure sharpening. Safety gloves are also included, making this whittling kit safe and user-friendly for beginners. Number 2. Beavercraft Wood Carving Kit. Rating 4.6. Be sure of the level of our whittling kit. The wood carving tools are made of high-carbon steel. The wood whittling kit of wood carving knife has a long leather pouch for safety and comfort. Wood carving tools chocolate walnut handles. Not only do these carving tools come in a great quality, but they also look stylish and feel great in your hand with our chocolate walnut handles. Our woodworking kit would be a great present for a fellow carver or someone who is only starting to walk down this lane of creativity and craft. Whittling tools in a genuine leather pouch. Keep your whittling tools safe and organized in this genuine leather pouch that will look amazing in your workshop and bring you pleasure with one touch. Wood carving knife set all-in-one. This wood carving knife set contains 8 whittling tools and a stropping kit that are here to help you in reaching perfection in your handicraft. Number 1. Wood Carving Kit. Rating 4.7. Our wood carving kit provides everything you need to start your carving journey. For PCS whittling knives, 5 PCS detail knives, 6 PCS basswood blocks, for style templates, a polishing compound, a leather strap, and a pair of safety gloves. Our wood carving tools set provides a range of tools for both beginners and veterans. This wood carving kit includes 4 style templates designed for beginners. With simple and versatile patterns, novices can easily start the first try. Detailed instructions on basic tool operations are also provided, helping you quickly master skills and start creating smoothly. These wood carving tools come neatly stored in a premium leather bag, featuring a durable double-layer construction and lock-class design. This allows your tools stay organized and be easily transportable. Our wood carving knives are crafted with sharp stainless steel blades infused with MOV alloy and are pre-sharpened for higher sharpness and durability, and are air-assembled with ergonomic handles providing more durability and a smooth carving experience. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.